Hey guys, it's Abby, and today I have the Ofra mystery box for Black Friday. It was $35 and I was generously gifted this and I'm very thankful for it. So I'm going to show you guys what is in this box. I'm actually really excited. I didn't buy anything on Black Friday except for one mystery box that was from ColourPop, but my friend surprised me with an Ofra box, so I'm really excited to see what's in it. I haven't purchased an Ofra mystery box in like forever, so I'm excited. How are you guys doing? Anything new and interesting going on in your lives? Oh wait, I think you pulled the tab. Oh, maybe not. Anything new and interesting going on? Let me know in the comments below. I am pretty sad today. I'm not in a bad mood, but I am sad. My chameleon passed away last night. Actually, this morning. It was like out of the blue. And I woke up this morning, went to go turn on her lamps and, you know, check her out. I always do in the morning. And she had passed away in her sleep. And I'm so sad. As you guys know, I love all my animals. They're like my, I just love all my animals. I treat them like they're my kids. I spoil them all. And I'm just sad. I'm sad. Really, really sad. Okay, so here is the box on the inside. Sorry for the downer, but I feel like I can't just like sit down and record without talking about it. All right, so let's begin. Begin. All right, the first thing I'm pulling out is this, and this is a Ofra lip gloss in the shade Truffle. And let's see. I'm also like shedding really bad, and I feel like this yellow shirt is picking up my shedding. Okay, so here we go. And we have a nice big doe foot it's actually a short doe foot applicator, but it's thick. Short and thick. Okay. Here we go. I also spent the day with Anne yesterday. Just Anne. Ooh, that has like a really fruity scent. That smells good. And we've recorded 2 podcasts, and it was just such a good day. We had such a good time. The podcasts are going to be really good. This is the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lip in the shade Rome. I haven't used an Ofra liquid lip in quite some time because they used to be so drying. I wonder if they changed their formula. Let me know if they did. Oh, here it is. It looks like a Merlot, like a real pretty Merlot shade. A nice red Merlot. It's a moussey. It's very moussey. I don't remember it being like that. I don't remember like the Ofra lipsticks being moussey. Maybe they did change the formula. I don't know. I really like Ofra. I think they're great. Okay. Then we have the Verified Drama Proof Liquid Liner. It's a big box for a liner. Isn't that big? It's in the shade black, of course. And, oh no. It is, you guys. The excessive packaging is just a little much, okay? So it's Verified Black Liquid Liner. Here we go. I haven't used an Ofra liquid liner either. Ooh, it's a nice felt tip. I love longer felt tips. That went on nice. And it dries down as well matte, which I like. I don't like when eyeliners dry shiny. It drives me insane. That is really nice. I'm excited to try this. Okay, then there's 2 more left. I have this, and this is a highlighter by Ofra. Liquid to baked formula creates show-stopping pigments that melt to the skin. And I don't know what shade this is. Let's see. Okay. Stars and Stripes. Oh, I've never seen this before. Have you seen this highlighter before? I've never seen Stars and Stripes by Ofra. Here we go. Ooh, it's pretty. Look at that. It is so pretty. It's a white and pink. Okay, so let's swatch it. We'll swatch it on this hand. All right, so let's do a pink swatch and then the white swatch. And then we'll do them together. We'll swirl it. Okay, so we have pink, white, swirled. Ofra highlights are those highlights that are incredibly pigmented. You have to really blend them in because you will have like a nice big streak on your face. It will be beautiful. The highlight is gorgeous, but if you don't blend it right, it will look like a streak. But these are beautiful, and you can use them for shimmer shadows or under the brow. They're just beautiful. I love them. Okay, and the last but not least is this. This is Too Cheeky Mini Mix Palette. The packaging is so cute. Isn't that adorable? Glow from cheek to cheek with this easy to carry face palette, good for many skin tones. Featuring some of our favorite highlighters, Sahara, Dawn, and Star Island. This palette adds warmth, radiance, and a splash of color to the face. Hit pan, remix, or refill all your fave shades in this magnetic and completely refillable palette with our Godits. Godits? Godits? Ooh, you guys. These blushes are freaking beautiful. Look at those. I'm obsessed with that one. I love a blush to this shade, but with a little bit of like a satin finish to it, because I like when my cheeks look a little glowy. But let's watch. Let's watch. All right, so let me wipe that off on my pants because I'm a dirtball. You guys, I got sweatpants for the first time. I never wear sweatpants. I always wear like pajama pants or like really comfy pants, but never sweatpants. And I bought myself a pair of sweatpants for the first time. They're by Aero Pastel, and I love them. I'm like obsessed. Look. Look how cute they are. They're baggy. You guys probably can't even tell what they are, but they're baggy and comfortable, but they're still really cute. And if you wear like a tighter shirt with the sweatpants, I think it's like a whole mood. A whole mood. I bought another pair. My husband's like, are you gonna wear sweatpants for the rest of your life? I was like, do not start complaining about me wearing sweatpants every single day when I just started like 2 days ago. And have I worn them every day since I bought them? Yes. Yes, I have. But they're adorable. Okay, so let's watch. And there's the palette. I love that blush so much. It is so beautiful. I just want to blend it and see. Oh, it's so pretty, guys. That is just so pretty. It does have a little bit of a shimmer to it, I think, or it could be the highlighter that I had on my hand underneath. But you guys, it's beautiful. And the whole palette's beautiful. I'll use everything. I'll literally use every single shade in here. If I can't use it on my face, I will use it on my eyes. My eyes are on my face, but if I can't use it on my face, I'll put it on my eyes. You know what I mean. All right, guys, this is the $35 mystery box from Black Friday by Ofra, and I thought it was fantastic. Definitely worth $35. I received a mini palette with bronzers and highlighters and blushes that I think I'm going to be obsessed with. I received a Ofra highlighter, a huge ass highlighter. Like, this is freaking gigantic. Right here, Stars and Stripes. I've never seen this before. It's so beautiful. I received a liquid lipstick. Oh, it's still tacky, so maybe they did change the formula. I don't know. I need a makeup remover. I received a liquid lipstick in the shade Rome, a gloss in the shade Truffle, and an eyeliner right here. I thought it was really good. For $35, I definitely think it's worth it. I really like Ofra products, so I'm very excited that I was gifted this. I am very appreciative too. And yeah, that is it for today, guys. Let me know what you thought about the Ofra mystery box. Did you like it? Did you not like it? Did you get one? Let me know. And I hope you guys are having a really great day. I love you guys so, so much. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.